Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. The price line of Tezos has broken out another resistance of a big falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next targets with you. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to recall my major idea that I shared with you in the month of June, when the price line of Tezos completed this harmonic bullish reversal shark move and entered the potential reversal zone or buying zone. And I told you that the price line can have a very powerful reversal move from here. You can see that the price line just entered the buying zone, and this buying zone was starting from $2.26 and goes to $1.80, because we had here very strong support. Therefore, I told you that we can use this level as our stop loss. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed bullish from here, and this was more than 330% massive rally, and now the price line is having some correction on this weekly time frame. Now let's move to the daily live time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line formed this falling wedge pattern. Before this, the price line also formed this up channel. This was the resistance of the channel, and here we had the support. And in the month of October, the price line broke down the support of the channel and entered in this falling wedge. Here we had the first rejection by this resistance of the falling wedge, then we had several rejections here, and finally today the price line has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge. Let's move to the 4-hourly time frame. Then here we have a perfect breakout, like we had this breakout candlestick, and we had another follow-up candlestick that is closed above the highest price of the previous candlestick. And if we switch back to the even to the weekly time frame, and let me just show you one more very important thing. This was the rally that I was showing you. This was the harmonic bullish reversal shark move. This one, which we have just seen here, this shark move. And after the formation of this shark, we had this rally, and this is the rally I was talking about. And if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see this is 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio, and you can see that the price line has dropped exactly here at the golden pocket, and from here it is getting reverse bullish and also broke out the resistance of this falling wedge. That is another confirmation for a perfect breakout, that now we can have a powerful bullish reversal. Now our next target can be here at the tail of this falling wedge, approximately at $8.87. However, I'm expecting that the price line is going to set another higher than previous high, because this will be a really very powerful bullish reversal. Even we don't have any bearish divergence on the daily time frame. You can see that here the price line formed this high, the price line formed this high, and now it is going to form another higher than previous high, and RSI formed this high, and it is also following the price line and not moving in the opposite direction or forming lower high than previous high. So there is not any bearish divergence on this daily time frame. Therefore, we can expect that now this rally will be continued. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.